What's up, boys and girls? It's me again, Jimmy the Fish, aka Opus XPN, and bringing you a small video on a mini multi-tool, Craftsman. Very similar to the utility blade, but this is a multi-tool, small. It's a made in China one, it's nothing, you know, wonderful, but it has pretty nice thick scissors there, and it has a very nice spring action there that I like. On this side, you're gonna have a small little blade, and then you have a small little awl, and then you got a small flat head, and then you have a file, double-sided file. On this side, you're gonna get your can opener, you're gonna get your Phillips screwdriver, and your little keychain hang thing, and here is another flathead screwdriver with a bottle cap opener. So it has a lot of little tools, and the snips scissor thing is very nice. This is not paper, it's actually very like a laminated type of cardboard, I think, so it looks like plastic, but it cuts it really cool. I like the little snips. This little scissors are pretty good. They're pretty good, and it's not that expensive. I think it's like $7. I paid $7 for it. Little small multi-tool. Something that you're not gonna take care of it that much. It's not a $50 Leatherman, right? It's a $7 trying to make Craftsman. But it's still pretty decent for the price. Just the scissors alone are, pretty decent. The file, the little blade, pretty nice things. But the scissors alone have a very nice, they're very thick, very beefy scissors, and it has a very nice spring action on them. Very nice multi-tool for $7. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Oh, that's the video. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon again. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy.